Hi guys, you recognize this sound? It sounds like crap, doesn't it? Well, I'm sure it has happened to some of you in the field when you take a BB right in your optics and you're like, that's cash thrown out the window. Well, today you're in luck because we're going to give you just a tip. When you buy an optic, it doesn't come with a protection for your lens. It usually just gives you the glass and that's it. And when you take a BB on that glass, well, it usually tends to break. And then there's two options. You either have a good warranty or you cough up some cash and you buy yourself a new one or repair the one you have. And that's just bad. So today we're going to give you some tips on how to build your own lens protection that's going to last forever. So stay tuned and let's get started. So what do you need to build this DIY project? Simple. One scissors, one lighter, heat shrinkable sleeve, acrylic, make sure it's the good kind, and a pen. That's it. This is all you need to build a shield that's going to last forever. So let's get cracking. Take your pen and outline the shape of your optic on the acrylic. Time to put in the work and cut the acrylic with your scissors. This is the hard part of the job, and guess what? You might have to do it a couple of times until you get the shape you want. For this optic, we wanted to make sure that the acrylic circle fit inside the optic, so we had to make extra cuts. If you want to, you can skip this step, but this will make it extra secure. Take your heat sleeve and measure it on the optic. You won't need a lot to secure the acrylic. Place the acrylic on the optic and the sleeve as well. Now comes the fun part. Take your lighter and light it up. You just need to apply heat to the sleeve until it starts to take the form of the optic. It will shrink and hold it tightly. This is what keeps your shield in place. Want to take this DIY project even further? We got you, fam. Try your scope cam, protect it. Worried about the quality of the image? No worries, check this out. And what about your flashlight? Are you scared of breaking that when you just jump into a room or you flash it into somebody's eyes? Worry no longer. Check this out. And that's it. With a little bit of effort, you'll be able to make your own shield lens. And you'll never have to worry when playing Airsoft, when going into those CQB areas, if your sights are going to be able to handle the pressure or not, because my friend, I'll tell you this one has been taking a beating for I don't even know how long, and it's still here, and every weekend it takes a little bit more beating. Build your shield, protect yourself. Remember, this is just Airsoft.